Hi everybody and welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. Today we're going to be highlighting a Notifier AA-120 amplifier. So this right here is actually the AA-120. This is an amplifier unit that is used to basically it actually amplifies the sound that goes out into the speakers whenever there's an alarm set off. It's usually connected to an AMG1, which is an audio message generator. So this unit here kind of pushes out the sound, kind of amplifies it to make sure it's heard all throughout the building. Now, I've had a question on this when customers had called in. They're looking at this board, they know it's bad, they're wondering, hey, is it just one of these boards that I got to worry about, or is it the complete unit? And whenever you order one of these, it's actually the complete unit. It's the transformers, the two boards, everything is there together. And that together is actually considered to be the AA-120. To find your part number, it's actually right over here in the top. We'll actually show a picture of that here in just a moment, where you can find the actual part number. But again, if you're working with one of these, know that when you order one, it's going to be reconditioned. It'll have the complete part number there. It's going to be a complete unit. You can always check with your account manager if you have further questions on it. But again, we can help you out with the AA-120 amplifiers. This is Nick Dumeier, and we'll talk to you again soon.